Cardi's Cove, capturing one of the best sunsets of the year thus far.
Thus far.
One of Marquette's best photographers.
No.
So what are you demonstrating for us here?
We're gonna put on a square MD filter.
There we go.
There we go.
Could make it happen. Don't drop that on top of Sugarloaf.
Don't do that. Okay. I have a tripod Olympics.
Okay.
For all photographers, calling all photographers for tripod Olympics.
So.
You get a, what do you win? A gold medal?
So she is a master of a tripod. She always shoots with the tripod. There's never been a day in her life where the tripod is not with her. So if you have any questions, shout out to Rufa on how to use a tripod. Don't ask me because I have no ability with a tripod. This is my teaching. I'm getting taught tonight. This is the Mastery Tripod course. All right, so Rufa made the change. She's going portrait mode now. Hopefully this comes out. I mean, it is gonna come out. What do you think? Come on, you gotta believe. You gotta believe.
Zoom in on that.
All right, so it's like, how cold is it outside right now?
It is 31.
31, so it's not that bad, but we got the tripods going here, working on a little long exposure game. I've never been one for the long exposure tripods, but Rufa is, and she knows what she's doing. All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was sick. There we go. There we go. Now we can see. So now we can see. That does it for the night shooting. It's an early night shooting. Make it right here. But Rufa is a very diligent file sender. She's gonna send files tonight, so thanks to her. Hey.